What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I had to share this Ferrari SF90 Competition Edition. I mean, wow, this looks aggressive, sharp, mean. I mean, all the adjectives you can think of to make this thing really stand out. Now, the Ferrari SF90 is one of the most popular hypercars among tuners, and with plenty of options to choose from when it comes to the styling and aero modifications, the latest to join it is the RYFT version, offering the Competition Edition styling kit for a cool price of $601,295, including the donor car. Now, the package includes more than 20 carbon fiber components and an artisan crafted exhaust and a set of wide spoke forged wheels, completely filling up the wheel arches. And according to the tuner, the upgrades are not only for show, as they were designed using their Neo CFD process or functional aero approach to highlighting the aerodynamic testing. Now, new parts include a new splitter inspired by the 488 GT3 Evo, L-shaped canards, vented front fenders, Scuderia 16M inspired side steel extensions, an active two-piece rear wing, a new engine cover, and redesigned diffuser with larger fins. Now, the rear wing alone was tested on a scale of polycarbonate models, showing that it could produce more than 800 pounds, 363 kilograms of additional downforce when traveling at 186 miles per hour, 299 kilometers. Now, at the back, the handcrafted race exhaust features dual oval tailpipes from titanium, black or blue, or carbon fiber plus Kevlar heat shields. And stylistically speaking, the result isn't as wild as a Mansory body kit, but this is subtle and tastefully done, kind of like Novitec's approach. Now, RYFT's kit makes the SF90 look more like a hardcore special factory model, similar to the upcoming Speciale. And despite the aggressive looks, RYFT doesn't offer any performance upgrades, with the stock hybrid setup producing a combined 986 horsepower, 735 kilowatts, 1000 PS from a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 engine and a trio of electric motors. Now, pricing for the Competition Edition kit starts at $90,000, but as I mentioned, if you don't already own an SF90, well, you can get a complete RYFT upgrade for $601,295. So, is it worth the $90,000 for you for this aero kit and wheels from RYFT? Let me know what you guys think about this, and do you like this look a lot better than the original SF90? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new Ferrari SF90 Competition Edition by RYFT. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love, guys. Thank you so much. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, where you guys can get t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting. Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.